Hey guys, welcome to the Hohenzollern castle here in Germany. Everyone, welcome to the Hohenzollern castle here in Germany, about an hour away from Stuttgart, and honestly it's beautiful, it's amazing. Let's check it out. Everyone, so this castle was built in 1850 and was later finished in 1867. Let's go inside. So we made it inside the castle, and honestly, it's astonishing. I've never been inside one. This is my first one, and what I can say from it is that it's very beautiful and it's very well kept. So unfortunately, we were not able to record in there in the treasure room because for security purposes you cannot bring a camera in. But honestly, when you come here to check it out, you need to look at it. It's really beautiful, a lot of diamonds, a lot of gold. It's magnificent. Look at this beautiful view. Back in the day, the people that used to live here would gaze upon this beautiful town and this beautiful scenery that they have here. This is incredible. I enjoyed this castle. I hope you have the opportunity to someday or sometime come and actually check it out. It's amazing. It's immaculate. There's a lot of old architecture there that you can see, which dates back to way back then. The fact that you get to see this beautiful view behind me, it's incredible. It's like nothing I've seen before. This is actually my first time at a castle, so for me, my expectations were really high, and those expectations got met coming here to this castle. Everyone, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for when we unveil our next destination.